Hey everybody, this is Kevin from Texas Yardman and More, and today we're doing a quick video on cleaning your gutters. And every year I have to go up on a ladder and I have to clean up my gutters here. I don't have the guards that go over the top, so leaves and any other debris that come off trees or the roof itself when it rains can fall down into this gutter. And so I just figured I would show you a quick video. I have a bucket here and we're just going to go up this ladder, and you can see that we've got leaves that have built up in here. Not quite that bad down there, and over here we've got a bunch of leaves that have piled up. And I've got this cool little gutter scoop. It's designed for gutters. Just a plastic scoop, kind of like a shovel. And what you do is you just simply put it in your gutter, and it allows you to scoop these leaves out, and then you just dump them into a bucket. And you can see it works pretty effectively. You can also pull these all out by hand for the ones that the scoop doesn't get, but it's a pretty cool little tool. So I will dump these in that blue bucket that I just showed you, and I'm gonna go. I only have gutters on the front and the front sides of my house, so I'm just gonna go through and clean all these leaves out, and we'll be back. So here we are, we're at the corner of the garage, and this is where the gutter stops, and then it comes down here and the water drains down to the ground. And up there where it meets the gutter, that pipe was plugged up with leaf material, and it was just almost like becoming compost. So I dug all that out, and so this whole section here is now done. I got all the leaves and material out of there, and I just hit my truck hitch, my knee. That didn't feel too well. And then you can see down here that this gutter is completely empty now. So one of the things we can do is shoot water down this just to flush whatever remains so they can go down the pipe over there. And then if you look over here, we got to get all this particulate matter cleaned out, and there's quite a bit of it here. So I'm going to start working this side with my little scooper and get this cleaned out, and then we're going to clean that one out there. In this one over here, I can already see a bunch of leaves in that one, so we're just going to keep working our way, and then I'll come back when I get ready to flush it. So we're back here. I'm going to see if I can capture some of this. I'm just going to keep scooping. Hopefully you can see that. And you can see this stuff is almost like moss. It's been up here probably for a year, and we're just going to dump it into our bucket here. And if you live anywhere that you see oak trees, every year those oaks will drop those leaves off, and every year these things fill up, and I have to come up here and get these cleaned out. You want to make sure that your gutters are empty, because water doesn't get routed away from the house like it should, and then you end up with other problems. So you don't want any kind of rot from water. So got to get up here and do this. I usually have my son help me, one of them, and my other son has helped in the past as well. So hopefully you can see now that this is all cleaned out. And now we can move on to the next section. And another thing you'll see in here is if you have these kind of shingles where this little, whatever a shingle is made up of, I don't know what the material is, but that comes washing off, and you'll see that down in your drain as well. Looks like little pieces of sand, larger than sand, but looks like sand, best way to describe it. And so the next thing to do is I got to get up on the roof right here and clean this one out. There's no way around that because there's just no way to get a ladder up there, so I'm gonna have to climb up there and do that, and then I'll work my way along here into there. You can see the leaves. So be back. So I started scooping here all the way down to this corner, and here's an example of what I was telling you. We've got a drain pipe right here that goes all the way down to the ground so the water can channel down from the gutters, and it is plugged up. So I am gonna take some of this leaf matter and clean it out with my fingers here so that we can see down in there, and I still see a bunch in there, so hopefully that flushes out and maybe we'll get lucky. It'll come down there at the bottom drain, and then I'm going to keep working my way over here. I've got about halfway down with my scooper, and this scooper, the width of it is small enough to fit inside these gutters, so you can pick these up. I think I got it at Lowe's or Home Depot, but I will take a look and I'll put that link in the video description. So we'll be right back. All right, we have gotten all the leaves out over here, and we're just going to spray some water down. So you just take a garden hose and you want to spray the inside of your gutters. That way you got all the gunk out of there, out of the bottom, and it's just water. And you want to shoot down these holes and make sure there's no obstructions. So you can look down there, water is coming out nice and it's full flow. And that's all there is to it. Now we'll go down there and do all the other ones. So if this video helped you at all, you can see how easy it is to clear your gutters. You can use one of those scoopers, and you're going to use high pressure water from a garden hose. And you can either use your hand to pull the leaves out or the scooper. So just make sure it's all cleaned out and you're good to go for the next rainstorm. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel as it helps me. I really appreciate everybody watching, and hit that notification bell for any future videos. Thanks again. Take care. Texas Yard Man and more.